lovely. I'm Donna Hoffman. They call me the Interior Design Advocate because I advocate on behalf of design lovers everywhere to help you wipe out the disappointing room, wipe out the disappointing design result, and I do that with my amazing online courses, which are brimming with design strategy, because that is what separates the girls from the women, the meh results from the amazing results, design strategy. In this video, I want to share with you how you can use your paint deck as an amazing design tool. In part one of this video series, I showed you how your paint deck actually functions like a color wheel. In this video, I want to show you how you have an amazing power tool at your disposal. Most people don't remember color the way they think they should or can. Believe it or not, remembering exact color, exact shade, exact hue, not easy to do. But remember, you've got this baby in your possession. What I want you to do the next time you know you want to go out shopping in the stores and maybe find some pillows to go with some other pillows you already own, or maybe you're buying a new piece of upholstery, take your color wheel, which you know is also your paint deck. Take your paint deck and assign a paint color or match a paint color to a fabric that you have. Here you have your fabrics that, let's say, you're trying to add some additional, I don't know, bedding to. Well, to make sure that you don't come home from the store with something that looks like that, which is clearly not a happy mix there, what you can do is take your paint deck and find as close a paint color as you can on your deck. Let's see, I don't like that as much as this. Yeah, there we go. There it is. Find a blushy pink, in this case, that's as close to my existing fabrics as possible. And I'm going to take this paint deck with me to the store because that paint chip I am using as a representative of the color I'm trying to hit, which is what's going to save me from walking out of the store with something that looks like that. Pretty color, but I'm aiming for something like that. Since color memory is a pretty hard thing to have, believe it or not, my husband, who is not a designer, has outstanding color memory, like Mozart type of color memory. Pretty unusual. Since color memory is kind of hard to have, use your paint deck. It's a great tool. You don't have to use this just to pick out paint colors. You can use it as your memory jogger so that when you're out at Home Goods or at Calico Corners or wherever it is, or the upholstery store, when you're shopping for a particular shade, a particular hue that exists in your home, your iPhone won't capture that color as well as doing a match back to some ray on your paint deck. So if you missed that first video on how to use your paint deck like a color wheel, make sure you check it out.